Are you looking for an affordable, all-in-one solution to power your real estate business online? Look no further than Delta Media Group. We offer real estate teams, agents, and brokerages dozens of different options for turnkey, beautiful website themes that are completely customizable by you. Each of these websites is going to include powerful IDX property search, giving your customers the ability to find properties and request information and generate leads on these specific properties. If you want to get access to over a dozen different options of beautiful website themes, those are all available in our website catalog. Agents that have access to the DeltaNET can simply log in and gain access to dozens of different beautiful website designs that allow them to, within 2 clicks, preview those new websites and see what their brand and business would look like using one of these brand new designs. You can easily preview that site, and if you're happy with the way that that looks, you'll click the Set Live button, and you've got a brand new website that is beautiful and using your company colors and logos in all of your lead capture forms. You can easily go into the modular theme editor and customize your colors, upload your own images, graphics, logos, and more to create a website that matches your brand. We also give you the ability to control all of your website content, where you can easily build your own custom pages, market landing pages, and link and highlight to other third-party vendors. Of course, no website is complete without a blog functionality, giving your customers the ability to view all sorts of great content that you've created within your blog, and, of course, manage your own domains. Feel free to purchase domains through the DeltaNet or bring any domain you've already purchased into our domain platform, giving you a website that matches your brand and your expertise in your local market. Of course, if you're generating leads on your website, you're going to need to make sure that you've got powerful lead distribution settings in place. The DeltaNet is designed, again, for agents, teams, and brokerages. So we have very robust lead metrics in place that allow brokerages to define how leads should be distributed based off of the contact forms that are being filled out by customers on your website. Control your lead generation strategy, how assignment is happening on a day-by-day basis, set up autoresponders and broadcast tools. We support brokerages creating their own lead settings, and each team and agent being able to control how leads are distributed to them as well. Let's say I'm an agent that's got a lead that's just been submitted through my website. I'm going to get an instant text message and a notification through the DeltaNet app that I've got a lead that's been assigned to me. That lead is going to be immediately opened when I receive that text message on my phone, and I can simply see what that customer was looking into, viewing which property they submitted inquiries on, when that request was submitted, and I can simply email or respond via phone or mark that lead as processed. The DeltaNet is a complete application on both desktop and your iOS or Android device with no loss in functionality no matter where you're using your tools. It's important that you're able to stay on top of your customers when they come into your CRM. Of course, our system allows you to import your contacts via CSV file, creating a robust system that allows you to manage your tasks, your leads, and all of your customer records in one place. If you want to do something like build a dynamic call down list for some advanced prospecting, our system supports that. If you want to send mass communications or bulk email to all of your contacts, you're able to do that as well. Our system supports dynamic lead routing, contact imports, customers being able to tie family records to those accounts, and keep everything in one place to make lead management seamless. Let's talk marketing automation. If you're somebody that wants to really dig into the marketing tools that are offered within the DeltaNet, you can't start anywhere other than Social Connector. Social Connector allows you to instantly connect your Facebook, Instagram, X, and LinkedIn accounts directly to the DeltaNet. This then allows you to, with a click of a button, turn on or off dynamic automated posting that will send high quality marketing information to your social media channels. Want to create a new post every time you have an upcoming open house? You can automate that. Want to have dynamic content publishing to your social media channels on the weekend? With a click of a button, I can turn on or off automated content publishing, taking advantage of DeltaNet's powerful My Customer for Life tools. My Customer for Life, also known as MCFL, is a program that Delta Media Group's marketing team adds new content to every single week. And this content is going to feature information for home improvement, buying content, and seller content. And it's dynamic, Based off of the interests of your customers, we're going to send them a monthly newsletter that contains information relevant to their interests. So it's an easy tool that you can enroll all of your customers to receive, and that content is going to dynamically change based on how they engage with it. So if I'm clicking on buyer articles every single month, the system's going to flag me as a potential buyer and send me that type of content. Our social connector tool takes advantage of this and has that same kind of high quality content being published to your social media channels. And of course, no automated marketing program is complete without dynamic and robust email drip campaigns. Delta Media Group's campaign platform comes out of the box with hundreds of different pre-built email drip campaigns that allow you to automatically target customizable marketing to your customers based on their activity. Let's look at this example here of an automated buyer open house campaign. Anybody that comes to one of my open houses, it's going to scan a QR code and through our open house connector tool, automatically be dropped into this open house buyer campaign. So we can see anybody that visits one of my open houses is going to be enrolled in this campaign. Once they're enrolled in this campaign, I can see step by step all the activity that's going to happen with them. So day one, they're going to get an email that's going to say, want to know your home's value? And I'm able to preview and see exactly what that email is going to look like when it's sent to my customers. In addition to that email, they're going to get a task created on my calendar saying, give a follow-up call to that customer or automatically enroll them in a market watch. And I can see step by step all of the great automated marketing that's happening to that customer. And based off their activity or inactivity, we can chain them into another campaign. So there's all sorts of ways that we can message your customers based off of their activity via your website, interacting with your emails, or through our open house channels. In addition to the automated marketing offered through Social Connector, our newsletters, and campaigns, we also have AdWizard. And AdWizard is one of the best high-quality lead generating tools available in real estate. I can completely automate my marketing and say, I want to set up a profile that every time I have a new listing, I want to automatically run a 3-day ad on Facebook. And that ad is going to take advantage of Facebook's instant forms. That way, when somebody is scrolling through their Facebook feed, they might come across a listing. And that listing is going to be one that has been automatically published through our AdWizard program and is going to show them the ability to click on that listing, view the details on your website, and then anybody that has clicked on that Facebook ad is automatically texted to the agent as a lead. That ad is going to use your branding, your company logos, your photos, information about the listing, and we average for every $36 ad published on Facebook, 5 to 7 leads generated. It's one of the best tools you can use as an automated marketing program. Other marketing tools offered in the DeltaNET include Delta Create Studio. Delta Create Studio is a robust platform that allows agents to see over 200 different pre-built flyers, e-cards, postcards, and various designs with the support to create high-quality AI-driven designs. Brokerages can even import designs and take advantage of our AI-driven tools to automatically map all sorts of interactive data on pre-built flyers, postcards, and designs that they've created. This is an example of a flyer that was generated based off of an AI prompt, asking for a high-quality flyer design using dark colors to advertise a listing. If I'm an agent that wants to take advantage of our Delta Create program, you can create great-looking designs in as little as 2 clicks. I can simply come into Delta Create, and we'll see designs for open houses, new listings, company holidays, and I can simply click on the design I'd like to use. It's going to open up the Create interface for me, show me all of my active listings. I can select one of my listings and I can see here all of the photos that have been pulled through. If I want to swap which photos being used in my design, I can, with one click, change out those different pictures. Of course, you can modify your text right here in line. I could swap out my logos to other company approved designs. And if I'm happy with how this design looks, I simply click the share button, and that's going to give me the ability to save this flyer and now reuse this not only as a print flyer that I could send to a local printer, but I could also send this to social media as a Facebook post. I could email this out as an e-card, and all sorts of other options are available within the Create Studio. This is only one of the many AI-powered marketing tools found within the DeltaNET. If you'd like to learn more about what we can do at Delta Media Group to help power your business with affordable, pay-for-what-you-need type pricing, please reach out to sales@deltagroup.com. Thank you.